Guys, welcome back to another video today. It's a cooking video actually, and it's called how to make a French toast. So let's get started. So you'll need a pan. You will need some sugar. See, got sugar here. You will need cinnamon, any cinnamon you want. You'll need wheat grain bread or any bread you like. It doesn't matter. And you'll need 1 egg. You need a spoon and a fork and a bowl. So let's get started. So first, you grab the egg. Crack the egg open. My fingers. Crack the egg open. This always. There we go. Just put it right there. Let me just wash my hands because it's oily. Alright, so now you grab your fork. Now you scramble it like scrambled egg. Hold on, let me switch your arms. Even though my hands is wet and the other side. Oh well. You know what? Let's go for 2 eggs, because I think it's kind of missing, so let's get 2 eggs. Wait, no, 1 more egg, I mean. So there's 1 egg there, see? Just gonna mix them. Horse seizure. Alright, I think that's good enough to mix. Right, now you want to take this off. Now, you grab your bread or any kind, very sweet. Now you put it right in there. Okay, so this is how it goes. You're supposed to fill it all the way, all of this in here, all around here. So I'm gonna show you it when I'm finished. So I'm already finished with one side, and this side of this. It's supposed to be filled with the eggs. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, but I'll just pause it, and after I'll tell you when I'm done. Oops, I accidentally broke my own bread. I think it got too expanded. But anyways, who cares? If your bread breaks, don't grab another one, because you can also do it. So now you would want to grab your pan. Just put it there. I'm just gonna get get this. I have to use 2 hands, so I'll be right back. Alright, so you got that going. You don't have to add anything, butter or oil. And all you do is I'm just gonna lower it. Now for next, you're going to grab this. Now for grab this. Mine broke. Anyways, put there. And then drip there. This is gonna move that. Okay. There we go. And the remaining ones, this is what you can do. Add them. Hallelujah. There we go. Now, no matter if it fills your whole pan, but who cares? Alright, so now wash my hands. Alright, so now all you do is just grab your fork. You don't have to grab any scoop or anything, but you can just use this. Or if you don't want to like make scratches, then you can do that. But for me, I'm just gonna go for this. So I'll be right back when it's already done cooking the side as this side. So yeah. Alright, so I think I'm ready to finish. Let me check. Flip. Yep, it's already good like that. Or you guys can, or you guys can, I burnt myself. Or you guys can just cook it longer, no matter what. Ow, my fingers. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so this is how it looked like. I mean, for you guys would be like, that doesn't look good. But it's just because there's extra egg in here. But soon, don't worry. Wait, no, it's not really yet cooked. Hold on, I'll show you when it's like done cooking. Oh, so that's why. The other side's not yet done cooking. This side looks like when it's done cooking. It looks way better, but yeah. Alright guys, it's finished, and it smells super good. It smells good. Only if there's like a nose thing here in the camera, you guys would sniff it. But look how good it looks like. So now this is how it goes. You want to grab your cinnamon in here. I'll show you 1 sec. Alright, so this is how it looks. First you put the cinnamon. I didn't really add that much, but if you're like a cinnamon fan, then like you add a bunch. But this is how it goes. It goes first, after the sugar goes second. I'll prove it to you. Alright, so I'm like a sugar fan. I love sugar. I have like a sweet tooth, and I add like a ton. Like this much, see? I mean, you don't have to put this much. You don't have to like copy me and like put a bunch if you're not really like into sugar that much. But I'm gonna put a ton of mine, so I'll be back. Alright, so we're done now, guys. Let me just put that on. Now this is how your food would look like. See? Sorry mine got split because I wasn't really being careful. But I hope you guys like and subscribe. And if you taste it, it tastes super, super good. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. That was my kitty. I can see you. Anyways, thanks guys for watching my video. I hope you like and subscribe. Turn notifications on for more videos about cooking and also Pepe and Roblox videos and other stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!